Unlock the ancient secrets of Aztec cuisine, a treasure trove of flavors that shaped Mexican culinary culture. The Aztecs introduced corn, beans, chili peppers, tomatoes, and cocoa, transforming everyday meals into culinary masterpieces. Their food was more than sustenance. It was a celebration of life, culture, and community. Imagine savoring a warm, comforting bowl of pozole, a hearty stew made with hominy corn and seasoned meats. Or biting into a tamale, a delicious bundle of masa filled with meats or veggies, wrapped in corn husks and steamed to perfection. The Aztecs also enjoyed mole, a rich sauce made with chili peppers and chocolate, drizzled over meats and enchiladas. Their love for chocolate was evident in zocolotl, a frothy, spiced beverage made from ground cocoa beans. Champurrado, a cozy drink made with corn flour, chocolate, and spices, was a favorite during chilly mornings. Aztec cuisine was a blend of flavors and textures, using native ingredients and traditional cooking methods. Each dish told a story, weaving together heritage, rituals, and the spirit of the Aztec community. Guacamole, made from mashed avocados, tomatoes, onions, and chili peppers, was a staple in their diet. Tlacoyo, a stuffed masa cake filled with beans or cheese, showcased their culinary creativity. Pulque, a mildly alcoholic drink made from Maggi plant sap, was sacred in rituals and symbolized life and fertility. Atole, a warm drink made from masa, water, and sweeteners, was enjoyed daily, especially on cold mornings. Exploring Aztec food is like discovering a culinary legacy that still impacts Mexican cuisine today. Their recipes honored the balance of flavors and textures, leaving a lasting mark on modern cooking. Crafting your Aztec-inspired recipe can be a fun journey, using staple ingredients like corn, beans, and chili peppers. Try making an Aztec-style quinoa salad, celebrating the essence of Aztec flavors with a modern twist. The Aztecs' culinary traditions have stood the test of time, passed down through generations and enjoyed worldwide. Their food was a cultural expression, reflecting their deep connection with the land and nature's bounty. Aztec cuisine teaches us to honor and celebrate Mexican culinary traditions, keeping the spirit of their heritage alive. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing travel guides and hidden gems from around the world.